Hi students, today we'll learn the diversity in living world, class 11th lesson. So in this first topic is what is living? So all of us know living things have life whereas non-living things do not have life. But how can you differentiate between these living and non-living things? So all living things possess some unique characteristics whereas non-living things do not possess these features or characteristics. Okay, so what are these features of living? So there are again two types, defining features and characteristics feature. So what is defining feature? All living things possess this feature without any exception. Whereas these characteristics feature can be seen in both living and non-living things. So what are these features? So first one is growth, reproduction, metabolism, cellular organization and consciousness. In this again we can see some are defining features and some are characteristics features. Now we learn about the first feature of living organisms, that is growth. So all organisms, whether unicellular or multicellular, exhibit growth. Unicellular means the organisms which are made up of only one cell, and multicellular organisms which are made up of more number of cells, example animals, plants. Unicellular organisms, examples amoeba, paramecium, all these come under unicellular organisms. So growth can be seen in increase in cell number or increase in size of the organism. So unicellular organisms, the size of the organisms will grow, whereas multicellular organisms, the number of cells increase. Growth involves cell division. So when sperm and egg unite, they form zygote. So zygote is only made up of one cell. But as the cell division takes place, gradually zygote development into more number of cells and gradually development of baby takes place. Okay, so unicellular organisms, also growth, reproduction are synonyms. Why? Because when the adult unicellular organisms grow, it develop into two daughter organisms. They both look exactly to mother organism except size. They are clones to mother. So multicellular organisms also grow. They increase in height and weight of organism. So number of cells increase. At the time of birth our size will be very small, but as we grow our size will increase gradually. So what about non-living things? Non-living things also grow, but we have to add something from outside. Suppose if we take the cotton, we can observe the size, but when we add extra cotton to this, the size of the cotton increase. Okay, so like this we have to provide something from outside, then only the non-living things grow. In plants, growth continues throughout their lifespan. Okay, but in animals, growth is only up to certain age. After certain age, the growth will stop. So in a girls, growth will stop up to 18 years, and boys up to 21 years only they grow. So growth is not defining property of living organisms.